everyone, I'm Dr. Ruchita and I passed January FMG 2025 in my very first attempt, scoring 220 marks. And in today's video, I'll be sharing on how you should be effectively reviewing a GT. So, in my opinion, reviewing a GT is as good as giving the GT because it tells you about your weaker areas, the areas you should be focusing on more, your weaker subjects, and so much more. So the first tip is to not review the whole GT in one day. I know it's a very controversial opinion, but let me explain you why I think like that. So when you solve those 300 questions, you'll realize that all the questions you answer are not based on your actual knowledge. Some questions, you guess some questions on the basis of your gut feeling, or some questions are just merely educational guesses. So that is why it is important to review all 300 questions, be it right or wrong. So what I would suggest is you divide your all 300 questions in a set number of days. For example, 3 days, 4 days, or 5 days. Or you can even take it up to 6 days, but make sure you review the whole GT before giving the next one. So yeah, how would you divide it? So you need to also review on the day of giving the GT. For example, you finish giving your GT by 3:30 and you start reviewing by 5 o'clock. So 5 to till how much ever time you sit. Review at least 100 questions on the first day because you have more time. On the next day, on the next days, you need to take smaller portions so that you can do the rest of the things during the whole day, whatever you have planned for that day, and do a small portion like 50 questions, 70 questions at the end of the day. For example, I gave GT on Sunday, and so I reviewed all the larger subjects like PSM, OBG, surgery on Sunday itself, and then I review the rest of the subjects on the remaining 3 to 4 days, depending on how much time I have on that particular day. So I would solve those review those 50 or 70 questions at the end of the. Now that you've given GT, how do you actually start reviewing it? I would suggest you to review it subject wise. For example, anatomy. In anatomy, there are about 15 to 17 questions in any given GT. So what you need to do is you need to review the wrong questions first and then just skim through the right one. Now, what does skim through mean? Skim through means that you need to go through all those right questions in a very quick manner. You just need to see, like, this is the question, yeah, this is what I thought, this is why it is right. And you'll also see those guessed questions over there. And just correlate with the explanation given, that was it the thought process behind marking that question right, or was it something different? If it was something different, then you need to take note of that point. That is why it is essential to review the wrong questions as well as the right questions. So how do you effectively review a wrong question? So what you need to do is, when you get any question wrong, you need to first analyze why you got that question wrong. Was it a fact-based question, something that you could not remember? Was your concept weak around that topic, or was it a new information around that same topic that was not in your notes before? So you need to understand what is the core problem. Once you know the core problem, you just refer back to your original notes from where you had studied that particular topic. If you had studied from the RR notes, then refer the RR notes, or if you have studied from the main notes, then refer to the main notes. Wherever you have studied that topic from, just refer to that notes and read the whole topic. And if in the explanation you find any additional point that you think is important, or it was something that was mentioned in the question and you think the question is important, then add those points in your notes. And yeah, that is all you need for reviewing. Trust me, if you'll review the GT in this manner, you'll definitely boost your score in the next GT. Because what happens is the topics are always repeated. So if you review those topics continuously, you'll develop a better recall, and that is how you'll boost your GT score. If you found this video helpful, then do share with your other FMG friends. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Until then, see you in the next one. Bye.